If you want to disable the calling feature on your Snapchat app so that somebody can't make a voice or a video call to you, maybe you're getting barraged by random calls from strangers, I'm going to show you how to turn off that feature, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. So let's jump right in. First, open up the Snapchat app on your device. And if you tap on the pencil and paper to create a new chat, you can see New Call. And it allows me to call practically anybody that I'm connected with on Snapchat. However, if you keep getting those calls, you can always disable it, or you have a couple different options to limit that functionality. The first option you have is to press and hold on the contact that keeps calling you. And from here, you can see chat notification settings. All you need to do is go to notification settings and turn on mute calls. Essentially, switch it to mute it until I unmute. And then even if they try to call you within Snapchat, it won't ring to your iPhone or Android. But ultimately, they're still calling you. There are other ways to disable that call feature. Tap on the profile button at the top left, and then the gear icon at the top right. From here, just scroll down until you get to this section that says Privacy Controls and go to Contact Me. You can see who can contact you on Snapchat, aka who can call you or chat with you. I would recommend switching this to just your friends instead of friends and contacts. The next thing we can do, even if you're still getting calls, is to hop out of here and restrict Snapchat's permission to use your microphone. So let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Let me go back to the beginning here. From the Settings app, we're going to scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security, and then scroll down again until we find Microphone on this list. Within here, you can see Snapchat has access to my microphone, aka people can call me and it will use my microphone. So all you need to do is disable Snapchat's access to your microphone. And you can also do the same thing with camera. Just hop into camera and turn it off as well. However, keep in mind when you do turn off the camera and open up Snapchat, it will say, oops, Snapchat is a camera app. So it doesn't necessarily like it when you disable the camera because it opens up automatically on the camera. Of course, you can always enable that, but have the microphone itself still disabled. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.